Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about iterative statement, for loop, part of programming in C course. The for loop in C is a control flow statement that allows you to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specified number of times. The basic syntax of a for loop is as follows. Here, initialization is an expression that is executed once at the beginning of the loop. Condition is an expression that is evaluated before each iteration of the loop. If the condition is true, the code inside the loop is executed. If the condition is false, the loop is terminated and the control is transferred to the next statement after the loop. Increment slash decrement is an expression that is executed at the end of each iteration of the loop. Here is an example of a for loop that counts from 1 to 10. In this example, the variable I is initialized to 1 in the initialization part, and the condition I is less than or equals to 10 is evaluated before each iteration of the loop. As long as I is less than or equal to 10, the code inside the loop is executed, which is a printf statement that prints the value of I followed by a space. The value of I is then incremented by 1 using the I++ in the increment slash decrement part. This process is repeated until the value of I becomes greater than 10, at which point the condition is false and the loop is terminated. The output of the program is 1 to 10. The for loop is often used when the number of iterations is known in advance, while the while loop is used when the number of iterations is not known in advance. The for loop can also be used to iterate through arrays, strings, and other data structures. It is important to be careful when using for loops, as an infinite loop can occur if the condition is always true and the increment decrement part is missing or not updating the variable used in the condition. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.